Are you ready to see a property flip that's going to make me £70,000? Come with me as I come pick up my keys for my newest flip property. Completed today and I get to go get the keys, yay! I have the keys. This property is going to make me 60 to 70 grand depending on end finish, but we've just completed and got the keys, yay! So today we're on site having a look at my latest refurb project. This is a flip project. We bought it a few weeks ago. You saw us pick up the keys for it. And now we're here to check out the refurb. So this is a 3-bed detached property. We first saw it on the market when it was advertised at 210,000. We got the price to 141,000. We are gonna spend probably just over 30,000 refurbing it, and then it should be valued, we're thinking between 250 to 270, depending on end finish. Builder's got the keys 2 weeks ago, so it's exciting to see. But we've had a few issues since we got the keys. So historically, this property's been broken into by local scallywags. They nicked all the pipes and everything. So we've had to get the local security company to come and guard it. And on a few occasions they've been called out, but they've scared everyone off. But until it's fully watertight, fully sorted, we're gonna keep security on it. This was all boarded up. So you see the brand new windows are in, look, and all the nice frames, which is good because when the previous owner had to put all the wood boarded the windows, he drilled into all the frames, so we couldn't even keep the frames. We've had to replace everything, frames and windows, which is absolutely fine because that's what we need to make it into a nice house. So this will be all big, massive, beautiful kitchen diner. We've picked the kitchen and it's beautiful modern kitchen. People will be able to have the kitchen and then have the nice doors out to their garden. So this was the original tiny little kitchen, and that's why we wanted to remove this wall and go all the way through. So have a nice big open plan kitchen diner. We've got downstairs toilet going down here, which is nice, that keeps that separate. Now I did want to put an ensuite upstairs, but there's just not that much room and it would be quite expensive to do, which is why we decided to put another toilet down here in the kitchen. But once this is all done in its open plan, you'll be able to see the sheer amount of space we're going to have in this house. So upstairs really just needed a brand new bathroom suite, which we're doing, and it just needed painting and decorating, making sure the plaster's done. But other than that, upstairs wasn't bad. It was the downstairs. Obviously we need to put all the pipe work back in because local scallywags have got in and nicked all the pipe work. So that's all going back in and radiators and everything will be in. So this flip, if I sell it for 270,000, it's probably going to make me 60 to 70,000 pound profit from this one property. As you can see, I am not doing any of the work, so that includes full cost with project managed by the builder and his team. It's now finished, it's now staged, and it's about to go on the market. So come and have a look and see what we've done to it. So when we bought this property, it was a mess, overgrown. All the windows have been smashed and broken in, and it had like big, massive laurel trees all the way around. So we've taken out the trees, we've put this nice fence. She's still got the nice driveway. We've sorted out the garage. Garage's got a brand new roof, repainted everything, and we've got brand new windows and doors in, which just bring it back to life. Here we go. So this is the living room. And when we bought it, this was all boarded up so you couldn't really see, and this was filled just full of rubbish and crap. So obviously we've got rid of the rubbish and crap. We've repainted all the walls, put some paneling in, brand new windows, radiators, and it just brings it to life that a nice living room it is. And then what I really like about it is it sweeps into the open plan kitchen diner, which I think is what most people want now for modern living. So we've got these nice kitchen units here, fridge freezer built in, followed by dishwasher. Obviously you can't have a house nowadays without a dishwasher, cooker, hob, and just everything you need for like a really good kitchen. But I really like the design on this kitchen. And what we actually did to get inspiration for what we wanted was we looked at some of the new builds in the area and what the new build developers were putting as their kitchens and what colours they were using, and we brought this out. But I think this is just such a gorgeous space for a young family, you know, professional couple. That's what I think who's going to buy this house. Upstairs now, you've got 3 bedrooms, your family bathroom and boiler room. So this bathroom was dull, it had half been ripped out when we bought it. So we've gone with a nice modern bathroom suite. Then we've got nice big units for the sink and the toilet with this blue, which matches from the kitchen, which I really like. Now this is the second bedroom. This bedroom isn't staged, but we've put some nice wallpaper on, decorated it, new carpet, just a nice room for somebody. But this is the second bedroom. Come and have a look at the master. This is the master bedroom, and this is quite a big bedroom for a master bedroom, but look at it, it looks stunning. It's a type of bedroom that you can see yourself living here, having enough room, and it's just such a lovely bedroom. And even though that's a main road that's down here into Scawthorpe, the village it's in, you can't really hear the noise, so it's just, yeah, just stunning, really pleased with it. You've just got enough room to get a single bed in here, but this is the smallest bedroom. But again, we've just decorated it, put radiators in, sorted the window out, and again, it's perfect. It's perfect for your third bedroom. Either someone working from home is going to have this as an office, or it'll be a nursery, you know, for a little one. My little girl will be perfectly happy in here. So this property was originally up for 210,000 and it was dropped, and we managed to come in and we got it for £141,000 cash purchase. We spent approximately around 45,000 doing the whole thing. That includes all new windows and doors, the garage roof, fully decorating, putting brand new kitchen, bathroom, all flooring, just under 45,000. The most expensive bit that cost the most money was all the landscaping that we're still finishing off with, but it's worth it because it brings the house to life. Total costs 190,000 with some financing and some fees and things. We're gonna sell it. What we'd like to sell it for over 250, 260, max I think 270, but we're gonna see what the estate agent says. But we will come in over £70,000 plus profit. So this is property flipping, how to buy a house, do it up, sell it, and make £50,000 to £100,000 in less than 6 months. I mean, I picked up the keys for this house early April. My builder started towards the end of April. It's now July and it's finished and it goes on the market next week. We'll have it sold and we're gonna make that profit by the end of August. So if you'd like to do what I've literally just done in the last 6 months and you'd like to make £70,000 to £100,000, then grab my free book. It's called Flip or Flop. It takes you through everything. So click the link below this video, grab your free book now. So thank you for listening to Property Investing with Abby and seeing my latest flip property. Let me know what you think of Amisol Road and I'll see you next week.